The streak's over. The Broncos win 24-9 over the Kansas City Chiefs. Chiefs got the ball first, and they went 3-and-out. So this game is starting well for the Denver defense, and starts well for the Denver offense as well. They get a long punt return, they drive the ball the rest of the field, and they score. With 7:56 to go in the first, it's Russell Wilson hitting Javonte Williams for a 4-yard score, and the PAT is good, and 7-0 Broncos. And the Chiefs drive the ball down the field to the Broncos goal line, but they're forced to kick a field goal. So with 1:11, Harrison Butker does just that. And it's a 23-yard field goal, and it's 7-3. And things start to get kind of dicey. The Broncos go 3-and-out to start the second. Then the Chiefs get a first down, but then Broncos defense forces a fumble, and they recover it, which means that the offense is going to go right down the field and score again. With 11:51 to go in the second, Wilson hits Jerry Jeudy this time for an 11-yard score, and Lutz makes the PAT. And it's 14-3. Then Mahomes throws an interception. Then the offense turns the ball over on downs. After that, the Chiefs get down into the red zone quickly, but they're forced to kick another field goal. So with 5:39, Butker does just that. It's a 34-yard field goal, and it's 14-6. And the Broncos are forced to punt again. Chiefs go down the field again, get into the red zone, but Broncos defense forces and recovers another fumble. The offense gets to midfield, then loses a fumble of their own, which means that at the end of the half, with no time left in the half, Harrison Butker gets to hit a 56-yard field goal to make it 14-9 at halftime. Broncos get the ball to start the third, which means they drive the ball for a long time. Unfortunately, that drive ends in a blocked field goal. Then the Broncos defense forces the Chiefs to punt. Then Chiefs do the same thing to the Broncos after they put together another long drive. But the Chiefs muff the punt. The Broncos recover it in the red zone. And then the offense gets it into the red zone, into the end zone. 10:33 to go in regulation. Wilson hits Sutton for a 6-yard score, and Lutz makes the PAT, and it's 21-9. It's a 2-score game again. Then Chiefs put together a long drive again. Then they turn it over on downs. The Broncos get it back. They do nothing with it because they go 3-and-out. Then Patrick Mahomes throws an interception. His second of the game. Which means the Broncos offense gets it back. They drive down the field into the red zone, and then they kick a field goal late with 31 seconds left. It's Lutz from 28 yards out. It's 24-9. That would be the final score. The Chiefs got one last playoff before the end of the game, but Broncos hang on. Broncos win this one 24-9. Broncos snap like I said earlier, Broncos snapped a losing streak of 16 games to the Chiefs. And the Chiefs turned the ball over 5 times today. But the Chiefs outgained the Broncos 275 to 240. Broncos outpossessed them though 33-47 to 26-13. Mahomes completed 24-38 for 241 yards and only threw 2 interceptions. Wilson completed just 12 of 19 for 114 yards, and he threw 3 touchdowns. So Broncos improved to 3-5. Chiefs fall to 6-2. Next up for the Broncos is the Bills. Well, bye week next week, and then the Bills.